Good morning this Tuesday, the 1st of April, and happy April Fool's Day. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. The world's largest market, the US, started the new trading week mostly in the green despite investors remaining nervous about Liberation Day on April the 2nd, whereby it is expected President Donald Trump will announce an array of reciprocal tariffs on countries he believes have been tough on the US in terms of tariffs and trade in recent years. The Dow Jones rose 1% on Monday, the S&P 500 added 0.55%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 0.14%. In Europe overnight, the Sea of Red extended into the new trading week across the region as investors brace for reciprocal tariffs out of the US on April the 2nd. The Stoxx 600 fell 1.51% to post the first losing month on the index for 2025. Germany's DAX lost 1.33%, the French CAC fell 1.58%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.88%. Across the APAC region on Monday, markets also closed lower ahead of Trump's second round of tariffs to be announced. Japan's Nikkei plunged 4.05% on Monday, China's CSI index lost 0.71%, Hong Kong's Seng fell 1.09%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day down 3%. South Korea and Japan are expected to bear much of the brunt of Trump's newly introduced 25% automotive tariff, and these regions ranking second and third among the countries with the highest automotive trade with the US. Locally to start the week, the ASX 200 plunged into the red with a 1.7% decline at the closing bell to mark the third worst trading session of the year so far, as global market sentiment remains uneasy amid escalated tariff, trade war and subdued economic growth concerns around the world, and especially in Australia. The iron ore mining giants were sold off on Monday as the outlook for exports remains murky, especially to our largest trading partner, China. BHP, Rio Tinto and Champion Iron each fell over 3%, over 4% and over 5% respectively to start the new trading week lower. Domain shares fell almost 2% on Monday after the board unanimously recommended a takeover bid from US real estate company Kospi to shareholders. Shareholders were seemingly unimpressed, which led to the sell-off yesterday. Ahead of Tuesday's trading session on the ASX, the SPI futures are anticipating the market will open the day up 0.85%, tracking Wall Street's gains overnight to start April in the green, but we'll see how that goes throughout today. The all-important RBA interest rate meeting is today, with the market expecting Australia's central bank will hold the current cash rate at 4.1% for the next period, but we'll see markets respond to that around 2 p.m. today. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 2.85% higher at $71.34 a barrel. Gold is 1.3% higher at a record $3,124 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.07% at $102.43 a tonne. The Australian dollar has weakened against the greenback overnight to buy 62.48 US cents, 93.67 Japanese yen, 48.22 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has slightly reduced the 12-month price target on Light & Wonder from $205 per share to $197 per share, and maintain a buy rating on the leading global cross-platform games operator after Aristocrat Leisure escalated its legal fight against Light & Wonder with a second amend complaint around Light & Wonder's Jewel of the Dragon game. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Cochlear following the formation of a pattern over a period of 23 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $262.30 per share to the range of $246 to $250 per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Tuesday. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy investing.